Today I'm going to show you step by step the exact process through which I create fun kids rhyme music videos with the help of AI, just like this one.
A for apple, red and sweet. B for ball, we bounce with feet. C for cat that says meow. Come and sing along right now.
By the end of the video, you'll learn how you can generate your own song, create its lyrics, and then convert it into a colorful cartoon style music video. And the most interesting thing is that we are going to do all of this using just one AI tool, which is very easy to use for any beginner. So let's get started. So to use this tool, you can click on the link given in the description box, which will take you directly to this website. First, you need to do a simple sign up, and after that, you can immediately start using its feature to create your own AI song and music video. As soon as you log in, you'll see that the interface is very simple and user friendly. On the left side, you'll find different tools where you can easily create songs. Apart from this, you can generate music videos using AI, make singing videos by giving your own lyrics, and also create AI dance videos, which are going quite viral on social media these days. You'll also find image generation tools where multiple models are available like Nano Banana, Nano Banana Pro, and Seedream V4, which help you take your creativity to the next level. But since we are making kids videos here, so the first thing we need is to create a song. So first we click on create song here. You get two simple options for this. Either you can give a direct prompt and let AI generate a full song for you, or you can provide your own lyrics and get a complete song made based on them. Here I'll choose to create a custom song. So I'll first need lyrics, which I'll generate with the help of GPT, and there's no need to worry because all the prompts I use in this video will be easily available in the description box. So in this prompt, you are given a topic option, which you can replace according to your need, where you can use any kids learning topic you want, like ABC letters, counting numbers, animals and their sounds, or colors for kids. It means you can choose any theme you like. So I'm using ABC as an example here so that we can generate a fun ABC rhyme song. And to generate lyrics, you don't even need to go any other platform because you already get the GPT option here. So just click on GPT and enter your prompt. Here I'll add ABC as the topic and then generate it. So you can see that I've got a complete kit song here, which is simply copy and keep ready for the next step. So after that, in the style section, we enter the options that GPT recommended, like cheerful and bouncy melody. Besides this, there are also some preset options available in the hashtag style sections where you can select your choice. For example, I'll choose joy here, and for voice, I'll select a children's voice and I'll keep the tempo on fast so the song sounds more fun and energetic. Then you need to enter a title for your song. So I'll simply write ABC song and generate it. Now you can see that our song has been successfully generated. Here MakeSong has generated not just one but two versions at the same time. So we can compare them and choose the best one. Let's quickly check both songs.
Hey, gay! A, B, C, come sing with me. A, B, C, happy and free. Learning letters one by one. Having lots of joyful fun. A is for apple, red and round. B is for ball, bouncing on the ground. C is for cat, soft and sweet. D is for dog, wagging happy feet. A, B, C, come sing with me. A, B, C, happy and free. Learn me, C, come sing with me. A, B, C, happy and free. Learning letters one by one. Having lots of joyful fun. A is for apple, red and round. Hey! B is for ball, bouncing on the ground. Hey! C is for cat, soft and sweet. D is for dog, wagging happy feet.
And you can see how amazing and professional quality songs have been generated. The total duration is around 3 to 4 minutes, which is a perfect length for kids' rhyme videos. Now, in the next step, we are going to create an AI music video. Before that, we need at least 7 image references. These images represent different scenes of our song. So, to generate these prompts, I'll take help from GPT, where I'll simply write give me 7 image generation prompts for this song, and after that we get 7 detailed prompts that we can directly use. And the best thing is that we don't need to go to any other website to generate images. we can simply click on the image gen option inside MakeSong and create our visuals right here. So here we have three models. I click on C-Dream V4, enter my prompt here, select aspect ratio 216:9 and generate it. So now you can see that we have got amazing results. These images are perfectly matching the scenes of our song. Now I'll simply copy my second prompt from here and paste it. In this tool, you also get different styles where you can choose your preference. I'll select Pixar-style so the visuals look more cute, colorful and kids friendly. And then I'll just click generate. So now that all our images have been generated, we simply download them from here. And now we have a complete set ready. Our song is also done and we have images for all its scenes. So in the next step, we'll click on the music video option and from here, we'll combine our song and images to generate a full AI music video where everything gets automatically synced, music, visuals, and storytelling all together. So first, we need to select our music here. By clicking on select a song, we can see all our generated songs and we'll simply choose the one we want to use in our video. And after that, there's a reference images option below where we upload the 7 images we downloaded earlier. We upload them in order, image 1, image 2 and so on. So everything stays in sequence and the scenes match properly without any confusion. There is also a video prompt option here, but I'm skipping it for now. After adjusting the settings, we simply generate the video. So the video has been generated. Let's check the result.
A for apple, red and sweet. B for ball, we bounce with feet. C for cat that says meow. Come and sing along right now. Clap your hands and sing with me. Fun and learning ABC. Jump around and count 1 to 3. Happy kids are we. D for dog that loves to play. E for egg, we eat.
So you can see that AI has created a really impressive video and the visuals and scenes look quite good. However, there is a small issue here. The music and visuals are not properly synced. So first we'll download this video from here and then in the next step, we'll take it into an editing tool to properly sync and polish it. So the final output looks even more professional. So now you can see that I've imported my song into the editing tool and placed into the timeline. Next, I separate the music so I can clearly understand which part matches with which clip. For this, I simply right click and select the detached audio, which separates the audio from the video. So as you can see, there was a slight singing issue here. In the music, the ABC part was playing separately, then the chorus came in, and after that, the DEF section was also in a different part, but our visuals were running continuously from A to F in a single line, which caused a mismatch. So to fix this, I trimmed the ABC section first, then also cut the DEF section, and properly align the chorus part in the middle by matching it with the visuals. Now both audio and visuals are perfectly synced and the video flow looks smooth.
A for apple, red and sweet. B for ball, we bounce with feet. C for cat that says meow. Come and sing along right now. Clap your hands and sing with me. Fun and learning ABC.
So now when we look at the final result, it's really hard to believe that this whole project was created with the help of AI in such a short time. Our kids rhyme video looks smooth and colorful, the visuals are perfectly synced with the music and overall the output looks very professional. And if we talk about the broader use of this tool, it's not just about making videos, you could also turn it into an earning opportunity. With this AI tool, you can start Faceless YouTube channels, create custom musics and jingles for clients, and convert your creativity into freelancing or digital products to generate income. Once you understand the workflow, the possibilities become really wide. And the best thing is that you can repeat this process again and again with different songs, different themes, and different styles. As soon as you understand the workflow, you can easily create your own AI kit music videos. So if you also want to try this tool, check the link given in the description and start your journey. And there's also a special discount available. Use my code to get an exclusive 10% off. This is a great chance to explore the tool at a discounted price. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.